Hello guys, today I would like to introduce you a special puzzle. We call it speaking puzzle because this speaking puzzle they compose with the puzzle and magnetic and then the function for the book. So how this puzzle to work, let me show you. Firstly, you have one ball. This ball with the magnet and the shows mentally or at the bottom, so you can have the voice. And this the normal puzzle, we call it magnet puzzle. Why we call it magnet puzzle? Because it's a puzzle because it can attach here firmly because it has a magnet in the middle. Okay, and then you can use it as the normal puzzle for key to play. So how what is the function of this puzzle? Let me show you. Firstly, when you key play the puzzle, if the normal puzzle maybe just one time after they finish the puzzle and maybe throw away, they they will not to play again. But in our this puzzle, they have the function like the book. For example, let me open the puzzle first. Okay, you open the button here. When they are finished the puzzle to make complete side here, and they can have a lot of buttons to play. For example, let me show you. For example, they have different topic. You can shoot here for the side and for the some different culture, the most of the world, and 7 container different knowledge and different geography knowledge about the 7 container and 4 oceans. So, for example, when you press the button here, this is the place called Romania. Or Romania, they will the base geography knowledge about the Romania. They will tell you. You can shoot here, for example. They can tell you the culture about the Romania, and you can shoot to another country, for example, the Russia. Okay, there is some, for example, the famous song for the Russia, and you can shoot to another topic. For example, more basic introduction about Russia. Okay, and you can shoot here to introduce more culture about the Russia. Okay, and then more you can press these 3 buttons to get. So like this puzzle, normally you can play like this. You can match the puzzle to the ball. For example, this pattern is for the USA, and then you can take this out and press here. Okay, and you can put another one to attach here. Then you can make a complete world puzzle. You can make it a complete world map. Okay, after you finish, and you can press the voice here, and they can tell you a lot of knowledge about this country. Okay, that's the function of this ball, and then you can hand it out. You can hand it out on the ball for the kids to play. After they're playing, and you also can use the back side as the blackboard. Your kid can do the drawing. You can write here, and you can draw the picture here. For example, this side, and your kid can do the painting and draw the picture. For example, they can draw a flower here, or you can write ABC here, and then it's also very easy to erase. That means you can use as the blackboard for your at home for kid to draw and write something to learn. Okay, how this the function for this board, and more is you can customize this magnet puzzle to your language. For example, you can customize into your Philippines and other country. For example, USA or Russia, any country you from, you can customize into your language, and you can shoot to the basic knowledge of your country and what you want. Okay, that is the basic introduction function for this, because here also have the volume to adjust the sound from big to small, and here have the question to ask. For example, you can make it more funny. For example, where is the Russia, or where is the USA, or where is the China? You can ask the question and you point to the pattern and it will sound. So this is the main function of this magnetic parallel sound book. Okay. If you have more questions, you can ask me. And on this puzzle map, we have this kind of pattern. This map, we have this kind of packing. This is the gift package, and inside have a book to introduce the content of this ball, and have the USB chargers. Okay, you can customize you want. Okay, you can change the special the spare part. Okay, that's all.